our chat react Supreme yo. Supreme get bima. Yo we see KFC commercial and studio says you remember Japanese song? Yo we see what Ben.
I don't really care.
Go get it, homie. Go get it. Go. You know the way the Bima King of the Benz come fat.
If you cry, I don't really.
You.
I don't know, so I know why soup and I never do, but a long time when I see me, I say this is crosses, I just come back for the face and just appear, so don't like and subscribe. One them I saw me do it when me there Jamaica, you see me? But me I show you is, you know, IBs me I roll with today, you see me? IBs me I roll with today, you see me? Me just I show you piece IBs, you see me? We're going to jump in that video, yeah, and so we'll get to work. IBs we are jive. Right now we in IBs, but look at now. The thing is now, you know, we are got Kingston, you see me? We are going to link up Kaka and Think. We are got KFC going to do a video, you see me? I'm going to KFC to do a video with the Beamer right here. You see what I'm saying right here? Man, if you can really look pound out, just make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'm just showing the piece I road, you see me? I'm just showing how me get to work, how me do this thing, and how me drive these cars. You see what I'm saying? I'm saying. So, man, as we reach Kaka, me start back and sitting. BJ show the piece I road. Bro, are we there with BJ too? We there with BJ in that place, man. BJ. If you don't know BJ from the flag, are we Delhi and them also? Hey. Yeah, with the twins them. Man them in that place, you see me?
You wanna buy chicken at the place? Bro, chicken up a giant sign over there.
Man them, who this though? I feel them must die. You think it's cheap home? See that you have baby boy over here, so baby one dirt, man. Shit to my ears, shit to my ears, man. Them. But if you watch that the video, they were supposed to go that video. You see me, I say, man, they go on the work. You know, you can't answer that. But then I get so, what do you call this? I know a Chester. I think a Chester.
Yeah, man, I know this player, man. Sorry.
BJ, am I know?
What it tool?
Yeah, buy sitting, man. You know, but I buy no food, you see me?
Chicken,
but I buy no food.
I buy no chicken.
Pants and carry cheap ones.
What you talk about?
This man, this short pants, man.
They're trying to say above him waist.
What?
First pants you sit there to above him waist.
What?
They want to wear pants and waist, man.
Pants on this man.
Pants from waist. Pants from waist. You don't understand.
Guys, you know, we right here and me I show them how to do YouTube, how to vlog these things. They don't know say you have to do them sitting there, you see me? They go to the yard out 1, 2 times. Or you just go strong. You see me? Baby, that you have fake, don't. Yeah, man, we see it from far, man.
Yeah, man.
From over there, so me I look on the shade. You see this here? ICE. ICE.
Eh?
Is the boy a bliss, you know, me not tell a lie, a bliss. Probably real, probably. But me know say mine real low, look, amen, funny.
Amen.
Bless the name of the Lord. You see right here? Let me show you basically. This is it. Guidance and ISO.
Guidance.
No man, a guidance man. Man, they have guidance, see there?
Guidance.
Eh? Where is it? I want store me going to go buy, bro. ICE store. ICE. See now you see if I try downgrade the thing. You know, no say I see this. Okay. I'll cock a chain. I'll see it right. That's right. I'll tell you. No ICE. Why you get visa ICE? And 10K for them. US. If you see a joke, I make all it.
10K, man.
Oh my God.
Oh, this Dino crazy. Dino. That's how we moving, Dino. Pick up,
man. The boy no answer.
Pick up.
Man, I saw Dino place where I look at. Me and him supposed to do a movie, you see me? So movie shit. So movie shit. So I link the boy because I got to show him in that place, you see me? I mean, I Beamer.
Beamer.
And I wonder why me have one of this stuff, man, sitting there. Man, I remember say, me is a man with chip, man, there. I'm doing that. Me is a man with chip, man.
Chim
He's a man with chim.
Chim
Me just put on the sitting for just make it render. But because I show that look at I saw that look at me a beat from there. Yeah.
No, sir.
Ugly till me want buck till me feel like me want cuss. You see me?
Yeah, man. We know, man.
Don't mess with me though. Don't mess with me. And then me just reaching that place, you see me? Yo, me say man, yo, Kaka drive hard.
Me drive hard? He can't drive, brother. Suppose so when time we are left for go show no. You see me? How you go money, bro?
No, me not say nothing. Me not drive. Me going in a car with you. I'm not driving. I'm not driving.
Oh, you go manage?
I'm not. Man, my manager this year. If you don't know, my manager this year. All bigger.
I don't go back to back.
Well, if you don't want to say so, say so. And the mind, that's how we are going to do it for you, see me? Who can do it, look this up. You see me? What's up in here and sit, man? Me show no behind the scenes and sit. Boss a change and... You see me? Can't do it right, this one. Right, this one. Man, name is Sidina Meni. Bombard. Jane Cummins and sit there, so I get to work, you know. You penny a girl and sit there, so I work, so I get to work, man. You see me? So, what we are doing? We are wait for you sitting them right now so we can get started. I'm saying, brother, man. I mean, launch. You see me? Man, I mean, launch this project, you see me? I mean, launch this project. I mean, a main source.
Main source.
Source.
KFC, I feel link soap out there, you see me?
Shit to my beat up a lady.
Oh, so then get Doritos back with it?
I don't know Doritos back, I don't know sense. So grape and fruit one?
Yeah.
What's this one? Yes, sir. You know, I'm not so coming up from a promotion, I'm
No can do, no.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, eyeline, man. Yo, eyeline. Yo, what you feel? Yo, eyeline. You have to join the line. Yo. Man, you have to join the line, man. I'm deep, man. My name is Sweet Food, you see me? That one you mind, you claim that one you already, you see me? Let me see that one. Man, you look at that, oh, see, freaking. One day we are going to match this.
It don't matter, but just know. You expect for it to be like the same exact way that she has said she don't want. She never said she don't want to be
Means if you just do it now, your own style. I'm going to do that for you. See this thing when you do know, you lead my camera. I mean, like when you lead my camera, hold my camera straight. So you see me? You know, see me? Guys, what we are going to do now, you see me? We are going to do it for the right now. That's how we want to do it.
I taste this and I tell you this one.
No, not taste this. Eh? Yeah, taste no, look what you're going to do. You see now, me sit down. You see, as me about to take off the burger, that's what we want to zoom in fast. If you did right, that's all. I'll be
catch you by it.
Yeah.
Stainless. You want to angle it too.
You'll probably catch your own. Can probably. Let me see. Probably we need to have to catch your
If you want a test run, don't buy it.
Give me a test run. See that? I take a
But
picture.
one thing you can tell everyone. Bro, I have to go back.
So we have to go catch your
You take it out.
Free it up, yeah, free it up, run out. Yeah?
catch your like and share and subscribe. Boom, bam, and everything. Oh my god, oh my god.
Yo, that's what next, you know? No more one of the young man go back. After stop.
Alright. Guess run, guess run.
Melissa.
Cinematic value.
Alright, ready?
Christmas.
Just cut over yourself again.
Oh shit!
See burger, we just done it. We just done it video, you see me? You see that burger, yeah? About your friend. Look on the Doritos, them in here.
Yo. Real blank. Inait. Inait.
Hey guys, no go there say, oh, this man reach a Portmore, so man them, me I go voice a song, you see me? Me do a walk and show the piece of place, now me I go voice a song and show the piece of place, you see me? Right now me I go buy a food for Pink Fox, cause you know say, they man they, me have to rate Pink Fox, you see me? You want to say they man they help me with song, you know, man, that one a hit song, you see me? So me I buy a food for boy, and then me go buy a thing and then we go over there, buy a food for him, dog. And then I have to look out for who look out for, so at least me can do buy a food and say, Pink Fox, you want 5 grand here. Because if I did really studio me go and sitting. Yeah, and it got take out in time as an artist, I take out in time for voice a song. I've been not good no more chatting, just love you know. What?
Yeah.
Speaker?
You want anybody free man with the play man.
But speaker this man, man. And them, we just reach high place. Oh no, remember yourself, bro. That's already the first song, you know? That's already the first song. But I come back here again to watch a second song, you see me? I think I have about 5 songs. I'm gonna drop it. I make a voice one next and another one that's tough. I'm not gonna determine if it's tough. When the voice, you see me?
That's a top 5.
When the voice will determine. The BJ, I'm tough. One BJ, I'm tough, you see me? Anyway, make a BJ today. BJ not today, dig it today, BJ today, you see me? One BJ, one. So like, share and subscribe. I sang this song. I mean even started, I just feel it song. Okay, look at now. I don't know. I say, yo, super. I one thing, you know, me go unsubscribe and tap watch. Guys, YouTube, I know it's easy sitting, but if you say YouTube easy. I'm trying to get a second phone, so I can edit for you guys because my one phone can hold everything, Paddy, and you know me have to edit the video phone, guys. So you have to just see with me. Probably take a little bit delay after that video, yeah. I'm going to want next video, and then probably after that, me get a phone. You see me? Get one next second phone, me can match up the phone and sitting guy out. You know what? You know up on the shit. On the shit. You know what? You know. Love on the door. Me not have love on the door. You know the rush because this thing not easy. You see me? But right, you know, we are gonna jump in a music with YouTube video. Sometimes I chat to the nose, I chat to the thing, but right, you know. See Fox here, the yellow Fox and sit in place. I want Fox for the app, man. Oh wait, my name is alright. Fox new EP out right now. You don't know, say you know fit Japan that. You see me Fox new EP out right now.
Man, them don't Japan nothing here.
No,
just go listen to it.
Just go listen to the EP. Man, them you can't listen to what me two say. He's a man, you know. You can't to listen to me. Cause me just chat things. But guys, me there go voice a new song, you see me. That one that probably named Petite. Yo, uno go tell me. Determine like tell me when you think if you name. Cause really and truly, me write a song about one slim girl basically. I feel slim girl them man them. Slim girl, body is T, slim waist petite. You see me man them so probably can name petite or that body is T. But one song name that body is T already, you see me Mali. So probably just name petite. Man them, when you see so
nah, just say no dog. This don't no dog. Yo, oh you're gonna preview for the other song. Yeah, a preview and
me know man.
Yeah, brother. I want me get up for. I want me get up for.
That body is T. Slim waist petite. Take a tic-tac snap in ibis. I go take a tic-tac snap. I remember my flow.
Yeah,
take a tic-tac snap in ibis.
Yo, Miracle.
That's the original flow. I saw the way they do first.
No, take a tic-tac snap in ibis. Bend over now. Let me shoot it in peace. Back body the screen. That body is T. Slim waist petite. Your ass still print in on your jeans. Some other work your body well clean. It well clean.
Nobody make you all like juice. Come on, dad. Work hard.
That body is T. Slim waist petite.
Come again. Them things will make you fall off.
You know, actually. Oh man.
Yeah,
and you're not shot them. Me love it when you turn on palm back, play with the hairstyle. No man, I play with the nipple fast, man.
What you know?
But I feel like you
record,
deep up the voice a little bit. Like, not like deep, but
Petite.
Yeah.
That's a petite.
Petite.
There you go. Slim waist petite. That body.
Alright.
I like. I feel like you were so much already jump on it.
Slim waist petite.
Mm-hmm.
You see like what you said? T.
Slim waist petite.
Wally T. Petite, just like it.
Slim waist petite.
Yeah.
Petite. Slim waist petite. I may have to hold it longer. Slim waist petite. Your ass still print in on your jeans.
Oh, yo,
In
man,
on your
the
jeans,
attitude,
what's
yo,
my-
the attitude, yo, those so good.
Your
man.
ass
The
still
attitude,
print
man,
in on your
good.
jeans. That's what I want. Your
Man,
ass still
it's
print
because me
in on
used
your
to like when
jeans.
people just have the middle, like man like Armand and thing, but like, you know.
Your ass still print in on your jeans. Some of the work of your body.
That, hold on.
Let me hear it, son.
Me like it.
In on your jeans. But some of the work of your body well clean. It well clean, yeah.
Still not like the year though, but
Still not like it. Let me hear it. Go on. It well clean, yeah. Alright, we fix up here. It well clean, yeah.
we want to get this off his feet.
Flow with it.
Yeah.
Shake it up, it. Shake. Them Mr. Fit boss shit. She no like to talk. That body is tea. Me nah like girl, you damn sexy. Would a wife you and give you 5 pitney. Take you to the Turks, be a vibe with me. With me, that body is tea. Slim waist petite. Take a tic-tac, snappy night beast. Bend over now, me should be teen, please. Back till you scream. Body is tea.
Yeah, man. Yeah, hold on.
Chat, you don't want so fix, you know, you see me guys? Man, they may have fix up it. You have some little part for fix up.
Like me and that's a few of different floor.
That body is
Yo,
tea.
my collabs are never crazy.
Slim
Yo,
waist petite.
Supreme.
Make you hear it on the big sound. That body is, man, them, that body is,
Man,
that body.
man.
Listen, man, the voice on WR. That body is tea. Slim waist petite. Take a tic-tac, snap it like bees. Bend over, maybe should be teen, please. Back till the screen. That body is tea. Slim waist petite. Your ass still print in on your jeans. For some of the work of your body well clean. You well clean, yeah. And you're not shot, not shot. Pump back. That cat. You love it when you shake it up, She looking at me, yeah, and tell me if it was shit. Ride it off, she not like to talk. And this I feel it don't like weird, that body is tea. Me not like you, damn sexy. With a wifey up, and you a man, they just
Man,
don't know what you see me. Man, they don't tell me where that song you have nothing for name. That body is TR Petite. So I know that too.
just call it petite.
Let me see when I thinking out of head.
Like, it just make
Petite
more
or
sense
that
like
our
for
body is
marketing
T. One of that two of
perspective.
them, man. Just let me know. Just let me know.
Unless you would have.
I'm just gonna say like, share and subscribe. I don't say, you know, I'm gonna see no one next time. You know. It's your boy Super. I'm out of here. Slim waist petite. Take a tic-tac, snapping IBs.
Yeah, actually it's so good. Like maybe like flavor how it sound funny like compared to that, but like you know, like with the other tune and everything, it's so good, man. So no free slow mo. Big up Supreme, one Supreme, and Supreme in party and one shout out Supreme chat. Big up Supreme. Post every day, like subscribe. I'm out.